Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are looking into AI agent and automation development framework called AgentScope. This framework is released by Alibaba Group, and this framework is interesting for a couple of reasons. One of them is they have published two papers on this, first in May 2024 and second is in August 2025. At that time it was AgentScope 1.0. Now they have come up with AgentScope 2.0. It has pretty interesting stuff under the hood. I would like to highlight a couple of interesting things of this framework. First is event system. So whatever task agent performs under the hood, you can get observability of all the tasks. Like it starts generating text, it's making decision, it's calling a tool, it has tool result. Also, they have implemented some kind of truncation in tool result so that your agent will not throw out of context error. A second interesting thing is that they have, when you develop AI agent using this framework, you can directly get REST API and server-side events for your front-end consumption. So you don't have to, on top of AI agent, need to write APIs and SSE. There is one more interesting thing is middleware. So with this middleware, basically kind of a hook, you can get notification of these things on reply, on reasoning tool and other things about the agent. They have added some observability. So they have added observability via different observability tools like OpenTelemetry or Langsmith. With this, like few lines of code, you can add observability into your AI agent, and that's pretty interesting thing. I'm surely going to check out this framework in order to build applications. However, before this, my favorite AI agent SDK or framework is OpenAI Agents SDK. It is pretty solid. Now let's go to their GitHub repository and try to run the sample code given in the example. It is not complete, though I'm not sure why they have just not completed it, because someone who doesn't have experience with this cannot run the whole example. But still, I'll explain you. So first we import couple of things. I have a .env file which contains my OpenAI API key. I load the environment variables. Then the first thing we do is create agent. There are many things that goes into it. Here is the interesting thing is that when you want to choose a model, there are two steps that you need to do. First, create a credential for the model and then wrap the credentials with the model itself, and then you will have your model. So it is more type safe, I guess. Then there are a couple of tools inbuilt: bash, grep, glob, read, write and edit. And when you want to run the query on the agent, there are a couple of options. I'm using reply stream, which takes a user message, and user message has many interesting things like metadata created at finished at. These two will be filled by the agent itself, and you can pass the name and content. So when you do stream information, it will return asynchronous event. Now this asynchronous event can have different properties based on what part of the streaming you are seeing, like reply has started, a model call has started, model has started streaming the information. This is the delta, means the information itself, and this is information, streaming of information. And so I have just added a couple of print statement, and I'm printing the delta itself. Let's try running the small AI agent. I'll say uv run main.py, and when I run it, you'll see starting the reply, calling the model, started the stream, and since the stream is small, we did not see the streaming part, but it is streamed, and finally the streaming has ended. So this is how you can build a starter agent using AgentScope framework. I'm sure there are lots of things that needs to be explored for this framework. That is permission system is there, tool creation is there, how you inject context into the agent is there. So surely I'm going to check the framework out and hopefully maybe come up with a detailed video about AgentScope. I might be comparing it with different existing AI agent development frameworks. But for this video, I guess this is it from my side. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video. And if you do so, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.